Welcome to Update India, and today we will share some interesting facts about Italy, the second most affected country by coronavirus. It is known for its rich culture, heritage, history, and thousand years old architecture. Italy is having a very long coastal line, so there are hundreds of iconic beaches here. It is one of the 44 countries in Europe. It is a peninsula in heart of Mediterranean Sea. It shares its borders with France, Switzerland, Austria and Slovenia. Italy can be divided in six regions. In the northwest, several important tourist attractions such as canal-filled city of Venice are there. In northeast Italy, big cities like Turin, the manufacturing capital, and the Milan, the business and fashion capital, are there. Central Italy is the most visited area and contains many popular attractions as well as sought after landscapes. Other regions are also equally famous for their beautiful beaches, archaeology, seascape, and unique cuisine. Rome is the capital city and it was founded in 753 BC. Rome is located in the central western portion of the Italian peninsula, once the capital of the ancient republic and thereafter the spiritual and physical seat of the Roman Catholic Church and the site of major pinnacles of artist and intellectual achievements. Rome is the eternal city, remaining today a political capital, a religious center, and a memorial to the creative imagination of the past. Seat of the Roman Catholic Church, an enclave in Rome situated on the west bank of the Tiber River. Vatican City is the world's smallest fully independent country. Its medieval and Renaissance walls form its boundaries except on the southeast at St. Peter's Square of the sixth entrance. The Vatican Palace is the residence of the Pope within the city walls. The Holy See is the name given to the government of the Roman Catholic Church, which is led by Pope as the Bishop of Rome. Next comes the monument which has secured its position as one of the seven wonders of the world. Italy's most enduring icon is undoubtedly the Roman Colosseum. Built between AD 17 and 80, it was in use for some great 500 years. The elliptical structure sat nearly 50,000 spectators who gathered to watch the gladiatorial events as well as other public spectacles. We cannot imagine the Italy without Venice. Venice is recognized as part of the artistic and architectural patrimony of all humanity. It is situated on a group of 118 small islands that are separated by canals and linked by over 400 bridges. Venice is an important destination for tourists who want to see its celebrated art and architecture. The city hosts up to 60,000 tourists per day. Estimates of the annual number of the tourists vary from 22 million to 30 million. Now let's talk about food. What food should have qualities as when cooked? It should be crispy, tender, and fragrant. It is none other than Italy's staple food, pizza. Do you know when and where was pizza invented? The history of pizza begins in antiquity when various ancient cultures produced basic flatbreads with several toppings. The word pizza was first documented in AD 1000, but the innovation that led to flatbread pizza was the use of tomato as a topping. For some time after the tomato was brought to Europe from the America in 16th century, it was believed by many Europeans to be poisonous, as some other fruits of the nightshade family are. However, by the late 18th century, it was common for the poor of the area around Naples to add tomato to their yeast-based flatbread, and so the pizza began. So the modern pizza was invented in Naples around 1860, which is the third largest city of the Italy after Rome and Milan. There are three official variants of Italian traditional pizza. First is marinara, which is made with tomato, garlic, oregano, and extra virgin olive oil. Second one is margherita, made with tomato, sliced mozzarella, basil, and extra virgin olive oil. And the third one is margherita extra, made with tomato, sliced buffalo, mozzarella from Campania, basil, and extra virgin olive oil. You may know the currency of the Italy is euro, but prior to 2001 it was the Italian lira. In 1999, Italy joined the Eurozone. After that, it changed its currency from lira to euro. Italy has been fighting a slow or no growth trap throughout this century. Even before the current lockdown, it was facing a fourth recession in little more than a decade. There has been only minimal growth in living standards in 2 decades. Italy has the EU's second highest debt to GDP ratio. Amid coronavirus crisis, Italy is facing exceptional challenges. Italy's Prime Minister warns that the coronavirus crisis could lead to the collapse of the European Union, pushing for coordinated response that would allow nations to share economic debt. Already economic burden is shared by many countries of EU. Italy has been badly hit by coronavirus and till date there are around 1,80,000 confirmed cases and around 24,000 deaths. But now there are signs of hope emerged in Italy as cases started falling. We hope that situation will be better in future.